Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make churros in the oven. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Also, have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. This easy guide will help you create delicious, crispy churros right in your own kitchen. Now, let's make the dough. In a medium saucepan, combine the water, butter, sugar, and salt. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium heat. Once boiling, remove the pan from the heat and quickly stir in the flour until a smooth ball of dough forms. Then, beat in the eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next, until the dough is glossy and smooth. With your dough ready, it's time to shape the churros. Transfer the warm dough into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip. Carefully pipe 4-inch long churro strips onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving some space between each. Bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes until they are golden brown and firm. The final step is to give your churros that classic sweet coating. While the churros are still warm from the oven, roll them generously in a mixture of 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. This creates a delightful, crunchy, sweet exterior. Serve these delicious oven-baked churros immediately with a rich chocolate sauce, dulce de leche, or your favorite fruit dip for an unforgettable treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.